Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review a makeup product, and this is the Sugar Stroke of Genius Kohl. This kajal is priced at $4.99 for 1.2 grams of quantity. This particular product is made in Germany. So this kohl comes in the form of a pencil that needs to be sharpened. It comes along with a good sharpener. It comes in an outer box, which most of their crayons have the same design, the same outer box. And it comes in total of 8 different shades, and one of those shades is 05 Black Magic, the one which I have. This has a shelf life of 24 months and this brand is cruelty free, and this product is made in Germany. This is the complete ingredient list of this pencil, and they have mentioned the ingredient list on the outer box as well as on the pencil, and the expiry date also is mentioned on both the sides. Let's see what are the claims that they have made about this product. So they claim that this formula is waterproof, and they say that this formula is wax based formula which spreads evenly and lasts for up to 8 hours. They also claim this product to be free from mineral oil, paraffin, preservatives and volatile cyclomethicone. Okay, I'll quickly share my overall experience of using this kohl. Now, as they say that this is a waterproof formula, it definitely is. The main way you come to know it something is waterproof is when you wear it for a long period of time, and of course when you try at the end of the day when you try to take it off. So when I used micellar water to remove it, it was a bit of a task. It did come off with my Bioderma micellar water, but it was a bit difficult, and that usually happens with waterproof eye makeups. So you need a strong makeup remover, oil based makeup remover to get rid of waterproof makeup. But with the oil based cleanser, it did come off very easily. My waterline becomes very watery throughout the day, and a lot of products tends to come off, but this is a waterproof formula, but it is not 8 hours long lasting as they claim this to be. For me, it lasted for hardly 2 to 3 hours, and then it started coming off from the sides. The thing is, this particular shade, it has specks of glitter in it, so the glitter starts spreading around the eye area. They do have a different black shade which you can give it a try, but this particular, I'm not a big fan of glitters because it spreads all over. Even after you remove it with a good cleanser, somehow some specks will still remain like after days which is not great. Next claim that they say is it has a waxy formula which is very easy to spread evenly. I 100% agree with this claim, because best kohl pencil that I have tried so far, even retractable pencils don't work that well. So it is very easy to spread, and Sugar Cosmetics, they make one of the best crayons. So if you want to get any sort of crayons, whether it is lip crayon or eye based crayon, then you can definitely go for this brand because they really excel in making crayons. Now, most of the kohls, retractable kohls and even kohl pencils, sometimes it becomes a bit difficult to apply on the upper lash line. Liquid based products, they spread properly and it's very easy to apply them, but with kohl pencils sometimes it is difficult because they don't like, there's not much control, they don't spread that well, they don't work that well. But with this particular one, it was very easy to apply it on the upper lash line as well. And I'm not a big fan of pencils that need to be sharpened, but the sharpener that comes along with it is of very good quality, and it's a very easy process of sharpening it and using it. The only problem that I have with this kohl is not a problem with this particular one, but I have a problem with the shade, because that's just my personal thing. I don't like glitters, and this has this is matte black, but it leaves a specks of glitter on application, and if it comes in contact with water, naturally the waterline and the eye, it waters a little bit while applying. So when it comes in contact with water or otherwise too, it leaves a little bit of glitter. After a few hours the glitter sometimes comes out of the eye and all, and even after removing it with a oil based cleanser, glitter somehow somewhere it is still there, which is not a great feeling for me. But if you like glitters, then you can give this particular shade a try. If you don't like glitter, then you can try the other black shade, which is without glitter, and they also have a lot of different shades that you can try from. That was my quick little review about the Sugar Stroke of Genius Kohl. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such makeup reviews too, and I make a lot of skincare reviews, so make sure that you do check that out. I'll leave some links in the description box below for you. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.